Here's a closer look at the 5 top-rated microwave ovens.
On the last spot of our list is the Toshiba microwave oven. This 1.2 cubic feet, 1100 watt, black stainless steel finish microwave features a smart sensor with easy clean, scratch and stain resistant interior. This smart sensor has 6 pre-programmed sensor menu that is used for optimum heating for foods like pizza, potatoes, veggies and more. This built-in sensor constantly detects the humidity level of food during cooking, and then it automatically adjusts temperature and time of food cooking for optimal results. It is equipped with 10 power settings, a clock, and a kitchen timer. The easy-to-read control panel has a large digital display with a power-saving mode and sounds on or off option. The buzzer can be muted at a touch of a button. Defrosting becomes easy and convenient with its custom defrost function menu. It also has a 12.4-inch diameter glass turntable. This microwave oven features an energy-saving eco mode by minimizing 50% standby power, saving energy consumption and operating costs. With an average star rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars, this unit is sold at around $120. On the number 4 spot of our list is the Panasonic microwave oven. This 2.2 cubic foot, 1250 watt, countertop microwave oven features a built-in inverter technology and Genius sensor. It also has 3 available color options like black, white and stainless steel. The patented inverter technology defrost delivers a seamless stream of cooking power for a consistent, evenly prepared food without overcooking. It comes equipped with the turbo defrost function that speeds up defrosting time. Its 16.5-inch turntable is thinner, lighter and more efficient, which allows for more interior capacity. It features a smart cooking settings with built-in, automatic Genius sensor that adjusts power and times based on different foods. It also offers several advantages including 14 preset menu items, quick minute timer, delay start and child safety lock. This unit has a keep warm feature that keeps soups, gravies or desserts warm and fresh until ready to serve. Also with an average star rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars, this unit sells at around $220. On the 3rd spot of our list is the Comfee microwave oven. This 0.7 cubic feet, 700 watts microwave oven features an on and off sound, eco mode and easy, one-touch buttons. It also comes with 2 available color options like stainless steel black and pearl white. It comes equipped with many user-friendly features, 11 power levels, a mute function, settings, clock, kitchen timer and a child safety lock. Its easy, auto-cook functions include popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen veggie, beverage and reheat. The one-touch, express cooking functions includes 1 to 6 minutes and plus 30 seconds functions and 2 defrost settings by weight or by time. The energy-saving eco mode minimizes 50% standby power. The control panel is easy to read with its bright digital display. It has a 12.4-inch glass turntable and it features an interior light. With an average star rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, this unit is sold at just under $65. Climbing on the 2nd spot of our list is the Kenmore microwave oven. This 0.9 cubic feet, 900 watts microwave oven is small and compact and features 10 power settings and 12 heating presets. It also comes with a 0.7 cubic feet option and 4 available colors like black, stainless steel, red and white. Because of its small and compact design, this unit is perfect for tight, small kitchen spaces, for small office, in RVs or apartments. This also features a 30-second button option and a child safety lock to keep kids safe. Its one-touch auto-cook preset heating programs include your favorite foods like pizza, popcorn, potatoes, frozen veggies, beverages and dinner plates. You can quickly start cooking for 1 to 6 minutes instantly with its express cooking feature. Frozen foods are defrosted quickly with time or wait defrost settings. It features an easy-to-read, LED-lit digital display, touchpad panel and a clock and timer functions. The removable turntable cooks food evenly. Also with an average star rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, this unit is sold at just under $100. And landing on the top spot, our #1 microwave oven, is the Nostalgia Retro Microwave Oven. This large 0.9 cubic feet, 800-watt microwave oven features a convenient, 12 pre-programmed cooking settings, an easy-to-read, LED-lit digital clock, and an easy-to-clean interior. It comes with 5 color options available like aqua, ivory, jet black, metallic retro red and seafoam green. The express cooking options provide optimal heating of popular foods like popcorn, pizza, potatoes, veggies and more. The rotating glass carousel helps cook food evenly. It features a simple program dial to easily navigate cooking settings and a simple turn and a push program dial. This unique retro appliance has a sleek, chrome door handle. Its panel and accents add fun and flair, and is perfect for your home kitchen, apartments, or office. The control panel is LED lit and highlights pre-programmed heating settings for popular foods like popcorn, beverages, frozen entrees, potatoes, rice, bread, pizza, dinner plates, fish, chicken and beef. This unit is compact in size but big in features. It has a spacious cooking cavity while taking very little countertop space. With an average star rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, this unit is sold at around $110. To learn more about the products listed in this video, please click on the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos.